Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
garbage disposals.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Sink odor can come from food scraps that stick around after you use your disposal. That's because typical splash guards direct water flow only to the center of your disposal. Moen's exclusive 360-degree clean rinse design actually guides the water for a more complete rinse every time and an odor-free experience. Moen 360-degree clean rinse.
In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to remove a typical garbage disposal and install a Waste King Easy Mount disposal. The first step is prep. Waste King garbage disposals operate on 110 to 120 volt, 60 Hz, which is standard in most homes. If you have any questions, check with a qualified electrician. Before getting started, unplug your old garbage disposal and dishwasher if you have one. If your disposal is hardwired, turn off the power at the electrical panel and disconnect any hardwired connections. Make sure you have the right tools for the job. You'll need a hammer, flathead screwdriver, dowel or steel punch, plumber's putty, and safety glasses. If you have a dishwasher and the dishwasher outlet hose is not 7/8 of an inch in diameter, you'll need to buy a dishwasher connector kit. Step 2. Remove your old garbage disposal. Disconnect the drain line and any other connections. If you have a dishwasher, remove the dishwasher drain hose. Most garbage disposals are removed by turning the lower mounting ring to your right. Be sure to hold on to the disposal as you turn so it doesn't fall. Make sure the rubber gasket is on the discharge elbow and insert it into the discharge outlet. 5. Connect the garbage disposal to the mounting assembly. Align the discharge elbow with the drain piping and connect them. If there's a dishwasher, connect the dishwasher drain hose with a clamp. Side diameter hose will fit directly to the garbage disposal. Then run water to check for leaks. Turn the power back on and you're done.